Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here today aboard this brand new 270 Dauntless Boston whaler. What an absolutely magnificent boat. Towards the bow, you're going to see a big area where you can stand for fishing. Also has a great cushion package and removable table, so when you're with the family hanging out having fun at the sandbar, you're very comfortable, or just cruising around. As we look back in the boat, yes, you're seeing a black color. That's actually the Boston Whaler canvas. And this boat has a full canvas package for all the seating. I left it on there just so you could look at it, get an idea of what it is. Now, one feature this boat has, it's very unique, is its big side dive door and fish platform. You can use that for fishing, for swimming, for diving. Very unique setup. The console, man, it's rigged unbelievable. Twin Raymarine GPS fish finders, GPS setups, VHF radio, does have the Mercury active trim system, which allows you to automatically set your power trim settings. Real neat feature. Very comfortable sitting here to get to the boat as far as driving. Seats are set up where you can either sit in it as a proper seat or flip it up as a bolster. Coming back, there is a Yeti Cooler underneath that's removable, along with a sink and a nice storage area. Big folding back seat that drops down, and when it's out of your way, you got a huge fishing platform in the rear. And of course, it's powered by a Mercury Verado 4-stroke. Very fuel efficient, very quiet, great running motor. All right, I want to thank you for your time today with me. My name again is Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Have a nice day.